Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Betfair, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Betfair in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it and you will be redirected to the official page of Betfair where you can see login option at top right corner, but you can also log in from home page as well, where you can see it is asking us for our email and username and our password. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credential is completed, click to login and you will be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your username or password, you can simply click on forgot your username/passwords on in the screen and complete the formalities and you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Betfair, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.